How's it going, everyone? If you enjoy my videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. In this video, I show you Kensington Expressway in Buffalo, New York. And if you're unfamiliar with my videos, I do speed up my videos in order to show more in a less amount of time. Nonetheless, here we go. Freeways like the Kensington Expressway were thought of and designed in the 1950s. The goal of building such freeways was to cut traffic time for motorists heading into downtown Buffalo, thinking that it would boost the economy in some way. What it actually did was cut through the neighborhoods of the inner city, ruining the character and infrastructure. Buffalo had 580,000 residents in 1950, and today it's home to 256,000 residents. Freeway building isn't at all the lone reason why cities like Buffalo have lost half of their population, but it did help fuel the white flight movement and suburban expansion as vehicle traffic became a lot easier from further distances. The below street level design of the freeway was to try and help reduce noise from the traffic on the freeway and to help reduce the negative effect that it brought upon the neighborhoods that the freeway cut through. I thought that this small section of the Kensington Expressway in the Buffalo city limits looked a lot like the Southfield Freeway in Detroit. We are now in Cheektowaga. It's one of those names that derived from Indians. Cheektowaga had a peak population of 113,000 in 1970. It is Buffalo's biggest suburb. However, today the Buffalo suburb is home to only 87,000 residents. The average household income here is $53,000 per year. The suburb also has above average schools, so it's not a bad place to raise a family if you end up moving to the area. If you enjoy my videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. We'll see you next time. Peace!